welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And it's a lovely evening on a Sunday, and we wanted to go to his new mall called Lulu Mall that is in Rajaji Nagar, and this place is the new happening place to be there. So let's go over there and see how is this place and check it out. Come on along with us. We drive through the outer ring road and voila, we are stuck in traffic. As usual, the Sunday traffic. This is the famous Make in India lion that was inaugurated recently. We are nearing Lulu Hypermarket, and this is in a place called Global Mall, and this is in Rajaji Nagar. We need to take a U-turn before entering into the mall. We are now greeted with a lot of customers who are coming here to see the mall. Finally we reached the parking. It's a huge traffic over the weekend, so please plan accordingly when you come into Global Mall. It took us almost 15 minutes to get into the parking area. The usual temperature checks has been done before entering into the mall, and now we are in the basement. Standing in the basement, we came to know there's only one lift activated, so it is going to be difficult for you to reach to the ground floor. Finally, we got a lift and then we went to the ground. We are on the underground floor and the place is like crazy. There's so much of people. I think it's because of the festive season. So now let's walk through the ground floor and check out the shops over there. This is the High Sign store. Wow. I feel given the crowd, the mask is really compulsory. A lot of people in here, and yes, in the underground floor, still more we have around 3 floors to go. So it's just like as if people are just really enthusiastic of checking out this mall. It's actually an old mall, but now after Lulu has taken this over, there's a lot of difference. In fact, the festive decoration is not much in comparison with other malls, but they have done a good job. The lovely cakes that is displayed in one of the shops on the ground floor. Now we are in the magazine floor and we need to check out the outer part of the mall. So let's go over there. From outside we can see the interior part of the mall and it looks really nice. There is also a well decorated temple on the right hand side, and also there's a little walkway where you can reach the entrance of the mall. Currently we are on the ground floor and we have just stepped out into the portico of this place, the front side of this mall. So let's check out the mall and the Diwali preparations we have made. But as of now, the preparations that we have done is really good. The lighting, the ambience, everything is pretty good. So it's a good for us evening stroll. We are right in front of the huge display over here. If you guys can see, they tell you how to respect traffic rules as well as what is the number of parking slots available. Pretty useful information right in the beginning of this mall. There's a small park opposite the mall where people can sit down. In fact, this mall has really recently started, so there must be, there's not much of shops opened up. Probably give it a month or two, most of the shops would open. Then it really gives the true hypermarket experience. The working time of this hypermarket is from 9 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Shopping hours is from 10 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. and the restaurant is around 10 to 11. So now let's get into the mall once again. This is the entrance to the mall, and we find there's a lot of lights and lovely ambience that greets us visitors. Of course, people are taking a lot of selfies though. There were some activities that is conducted for kids on the ground floor, so let's check it out. Well, this is a huge peacock which is made out of flowers and it looks really awesome. We are right in front of the Lulu Hypermarket, so let's check this place out. This is the entrance to the main hypermarket, so let's get inside. In fact, we are not able to see the end of this hypermarket. It is so huge. I thought of strolling around in this huge hypermarket, checking out the various products. Something that really caught my attention is the health center, where they have all sorts of salads that is lined up. In fact, this section really confused me as to what salad I should choose. It was too much actually. And these salads are sold by the gram. This section has all the fillings that is required to make a salad, and looking at it, it was really mouth-watering.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Well, to promote the more healthy option, there's a lot of salad options. This is here. You have one side the cheese section, one side is the juices section, another side the salad section, and different types of vegetables as well as fruit section. This you can mix up together, but there's a huge variety of it. So I got some corn salad. Let's taste it. Sweet corn. Something really good. This section is all the fresh fruits that they have cut up to make the fruit salad. And this section is all the mouth-watering pickles that is made. This section has all the variety of sweets that they displayed. And this is the cheese corner. We have so many varieties of cheese that nobody knows what to choose also. This is the savory section, and there's a lot of varieties of snacks that you can choose. This is the first time I'm seeing a green burger as well as a black burger. After shooting this, I got into trouble. As you're shopping in Lulu Hypermarket, be sure that you don't carry a camera because it's totally prohibited. I just took a couple of shots of the salad section and immediately the guards told me you cannot do it. So just be mindful of that. My mask is off. So I'm just going to the food court. Let's check out the food court. Finished with the third floor. Now we are going to go to the fourth floor, the final floor, which is the food court. Let's check out the place. This is a huge food court that is in Global Mall and really need to check it out. But there's one more star attraction in the food court which you shouldn't miss. Let's check out the games arena next to the food court. Here is where most of the action is, and there are a lot of people over here. This is the entrance to the games arena, and as you see there is a lot of people over here. In fact, I had to push people away in order to get a view to the dashing cars. Check out the ticket counter. What's the crowd over here? Check out the crowd, people. It's amazing. I think it's a free ride for kids. Wow. There are arcade games. They have made a play arena for the kids where they can swing as well as slide. This kind of swinging, I can't just do this. It's good for people who can just really enjoy themselves. It's crazy and really vibrant. Check out this, folks. Like people go up and down. It's kind of crazy. Oh, they go really high. Whoa. That's kind of scary stuff. That's kind of scary. These people even have a roller coaster ride inside a mall. Wow, that's superb. Just check out the crowd for a roller coaster ride. It's crazy. Wow, this is a crowd for a roller coaster ride. Wow, this is a roller coaster. Check it out. Whoa. I think that roller coaster ride is around 10 minutes slow. But it gives you really goosebumps flying inside a mall. Check out the other side of the gaming arena. Let's see how is it. This is all the gaming arcades. There's another gaming center on the first floor of this arena. So let's check it out. We are just checking out the arena over here. Let's go on top and check this place out. Let's check out this merry-go-round once we come down. Wow, this is a nice place to jump around. People can let themselves loose. There one fellow just fell down. Check this out, folks. Person keeps on traveling on top. Like getting an aerial view of the whole place. Kind of good. Section for snooker and billiards. Let's check out this section too. And over there is a bowling arena. Let's check out that section too. The feeling is like getting in an amusement park. And all this is built inside a complex, a mall. Also there's something where you can climb. I'm not sure what's the name of this. It's a climbing action where people can climb over the rocks. There's a rock climbing game, I suppose. There's a rock climbing place. Let's go over there and check that place too. I think this is meant only for kids. You need to climb on top. In fact, it would have been good if they had displayed the prices for each game. It would have been helpful. So no need for people to ask the counter and ask what is the prices and all. And this is the final merry-go-round. And finally, we are just going to leave the gaming arena. It's kind of a good experience. To the next level, I suppose. To say that is gaming to the next level with all hydraulics and all, you get the real effects of driving on an all-terrain road. And finally, we are going to exit this gaming arena. It was simply superb. There are a lot of people. Of course, you get bashed around by the crowd. It's just like crazy. It's a very good scene. We are now back to the food court and let's check out some restaurants before we head home. Well, this is a Nagar restaurant. It's Andhra cuisine. And oh, the Tehali kebab. Hyderabadi dum chicken biryani, 230. Wow, did you check out this restaurant? It's kind of superb with all the biryani. Hyderabadi dum biryani is around 230 bucks. Let's check out the Mughalai chicken too. It looks really delicious. This is a vegetarian restaurant to taste some good food. For all you folks who love vegetarian food, I guess this is the only restaurant over here that serves vegetarian food. Check out Veg by Nature. This is Sankar Tour in a food court. Next, it's high time to head home. So let's start packing up, going to the car, and let's head home. We have got a lot of biryani that we have bought from Lulu Market. Let's check it out, give a review of the food also. Well, we hope you liked watching our video. We showed you around this place called Global Mall, the Lulu Hypermarket, which is a really super place that I could say gives a lot of festive spirit to everyone who comes here. And it's also apparently a very new place that is opened up. So do check out this place. Only as a word of caution, be ready for the long wait. You come by car, you have to wait a long time to get your parking. So the crowd is high during the weekends. They have done a very good job. Well, this is the huge bag of food that we have bought from Lulu Market. Now we have reached home. We got a huge dinner that we have bought from Lulu Super. This is a chicken Hyderabadi, dragon chicken. This is a chicken tikka salad. This is a grilled fish spicy lemon. And this is a grilled fish which is made with peri peri. So these are the dishes that we have bought. So let's taste the dish and see how is it. This is a Hyderabadi chicken with fish which is made with peri peri, a dragon chicken, and this is a lemon chicken which is grilled, and this is a chicken tikka. So let's taste and see how is it. This is our bill and the cost came to 1,453 rupees. Is a little chunky chicken, and they have used basmati rice which is long grain. So let's taste it. The rice is nicely cooked. There are a lot of flavors of the masala that comes into your mouth. The chicken is a bit difficult to eat. The chicken is cooked to a medium. You mix it along with the biryani, blend of masalas along with the chicken. It tastes good, and if you're super hungry, it's going to taste super good. It's pretty tasty. Got a 4 out of 5. I think it's 4 I could give it, and it's tasty too. So let's taste the fish, which is peri peri. Nice soft fish, boneless too. Fish is nice, and they have grilled it very nicely. The taste has little spice of peri peri, but it has come out superbly. And out of 3 out of 5. But they have done a good, decent job. Let's taste the dragon chicken. Chicken is superb, very tasty. Masalas are mixed well with the chicken. It gives a very good flavor when you eat the chicken, and it's very tasty too. So I give it a 4 out of 5. It's our chicken tikka. Chicken tikka salad has come out very tasty. Chicken is nicely cooked. The flavors of masalas are there. When you taste it, it comes superb. So I think I'll give it a 5 out of 5. Let's taste the lemon fish, which is grilled. I think they made it with basa. Very nice flavors. Salt. As soon as you eat it, it's a bit salty. But the very good flavors of lemon as well as the grilling part of the fish, it gives a very good flavor in the mouth. So overall, it's a very good dinner that we have ordered, and very tasty too. Of course, I'm like super hungry. Also, I wanted to tell you that even though how many hours you have parked your car in the mall, that is Global Mall, there is no parking charge. So maybe this must be an offer which is given by Global Mall, or it must be an offer by Spark. So make use of it. I'm going to start digging into my dinner. Tasty biryani, Hyderabadi biryani. So I'm going to enjoy it. So thank you for watching with us. Thank you for being with us. Coming with us, I should say. Thank you for coming with us to Lulu Mall, seeing the place along with us, tasting the food, and a review of the food. So do check out the videos, other videos too. So until the next video, bye bye, take care, see you soon, and see you next week. Bye bye.